I'm Jennie Noonkester from Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
Awesome. And today I'm going to ask you a couple of questions because I heard you have a lot going on with partnerships. You have some Saturday activities going on. Can you share a little bit about what all your programs are working on right now?
Yes, during the day, our career coaches and I work at Hattiesburg High School in the Career and Tech Department, and we have, through the grant, we have a partnership for an after-school program for about 45 students, and we meet 3 times a week. We have an A-B schedule, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, from 4 to 6:30, and then the next week we'll do Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and we meet 5 hours on Saturdays, and we partner with a lot of people in our community. Because we're in CTE, we have a large advisory committees anyway. So Dr. Hawkins, she's the director from USM. She brings in a lot of nonprofit and other partnerships to build student skills. We have advanced manufacturing, early childhood, polymer, and engineering. We also started the iPhontology, which we got the information at the conference, and we do barbering and estheticians, and we pull in everybody from the school body from that can apply, not just CTE. And we have 3 students that are single parents in that program, one that's homeless, and it gives a chance in the school for them to build skills for later. We focus on service learning projects. So in the summer they meet 3 weeks, so they get to do more then, and we bring in, for instance, they had a school bus donated, and our advanced man kids got the bus running again. It was an old bus, and they're going to be changing it into a mobile library that's going to go around to neighborhoods in the summer for kids. Also, our early childhood kids go and get experience at being in daycares over the summer. Our advanced man gets to go, like in Mississippi, we have Vernon Damer. He was killed during the Civil Rights Movement because he encouraged people to vote. And there's a park in Hattiesburg named after him. And some of the picnic tables had just been damaged or just had rotted over the years. So our kids took those and rebuilt them over the summer and donated them back. So they do projects like that to help our community and give them a sense of responsibility. Our program's all about the whole child. We on Saturdays we'll bring this organization called Country Kids, and they will come in and they did like etiquette lessons for interviews when you're having a lunch interview. And we also have wellness and fitness instructor come in. So a lot of kids of ours haven't been exposed to different things, so it just gives them an opportunity to learn.